What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you guys so much for coming by. Okay, I don't have too much time because I am waiting for somebody, but I hate waiting. I know I already made a video, but I'm making this follow-up video because I wanted to ask you guys. I have this question for you guys. This is a little bit different. Actually, it's completely different. I want to hear your thoughts. I'm super confused because I know that it's totally illegal to pick up minors, unaccompanied minors, but there are still tons of drivers doing it. I'm in a Facebook group, and I make videos. I share my videos in the groups, talking about how you can't pick up unaccompanied minors, and still I have countless people, even people in my comment section on YouTube, commenting, "Oh, I still pick up unaccompanied minors as long as they're not in elementary school," or, "Hey, it's not my job to, ID somebody." Yeah, but if you get into an accident and you're driving around an 8-year-old in your back seat, or if an 8-year-old, I don't know, the mom, there's so many problems that can go on. If you get into an accident and you have an 8-year-old, you think your insurance is going to cover that? Lyft is not going to cover that. You're going to get screwed in so many different scenarios. So, please share with me why you guys are doing it, or why people are doing it. I literally don't know why. The main reason I think of is to get obviously to make money, but at the same time, you can have them cancel and you still get the cancellation fee. Okay, so if you guys are totally confused, basically, if you drive an Uber and Lyft, all your passengers have to be, well, at least one passenger has to be 18. If you're picking up unaccompanied minors, somebody under 18 by themselves, that's against Uber and Lyft's terms of service. You will get deactivated. Their insurance won't cover it. If you get into an accident, you can get a ticket. It's illegal by state of law. If you don't have a commercial insurance, you cannot be transporting people for money, period. And the only way that that's legal, not illegal, but legal, is if you're doing it through Uber and Lyft. However, if you're doing it something that's against the terms of service, that's illegal. So you can get a ticket for that. I'm just confused at this point. I've made 2 or 3 videos about unaccompanied minors, and still I get countless people saying, "Oh, it's not my job," or I love picking up kids. It's they're less more stress-free, or "Hey, I need to make money too. It's not my fault Uber and Lyft hasn't done anything about it yet." Guys, this is Uber and Lyft. They're not a security system. People are gonna misuse the app. Are you gonna pick up a ride from some random stranger if they try to hop in your car and say, "Well, Uber and Lyft didn't make sure that person didn't come to my door, so I'm gonna let them in anyway"? No, there's things that you have to do to make sure that you're doing it correctly. If I'm going to a bar and I'm picking up Amy, and Jose walks up and says, "Hey, I need a ride," I'm not going to say, "All right, get on in." Uber and Lyft didn't stop them. It's literally the same thing about kids. If a parent orders a ride for their kid and the kid's 5 years old, you're not going to say, "Oh, well, Uber and Lyft didn't stop them from ordering a ride." You have to use your common sense, your precautions. If the person looks like they're 17, 16, and they're by themselves, ask them, "Hey, how old are you?" I feel like I'm talking to a 4-year-old, but I don't know, maybe I'm totally dumb and I'm just totally wrong, which might be true. Ask them, "Hey, how old are you?" If they say, "I'm 18," and you're like, "Well, you look 13, can I see your ID?" and they don't have an ID, then they're lying, because 18-year-olds have an ID on them at all times. If you're driving around without an ID, or if you don't have an ID, then say, "Well, sorry, I can't accept you because I don't think you're 18 and I'm not risking that." So anyways, that's it for today's video. Let me know your thoughts. That's really all I have to say. Again, this is more of me asking you, pleading with you guys to not pick up minors, but at the same time, I want to know why, or why you guys are still picking them up. Or, Obviously not all of you are, but there is a lot who still are, and who openly say on the internet that, oh, I pick up unaccompanied minors all the time. So let me hear your thoughts, and then maybe we can compromise and come up with a solution together. Because again, maybe I'm missing something, but yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a thumbs up. Please, it helps me a lot if you can leave a thumbs up on the video. Comment down below your thoughts, feedback, questions. I will hop down in the comment section. Maybe make a follow-up video with you guys. I do read every single comment. And yeah, you guys are great. This has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub, and I will see you all next time. All right, bye guys.